Part 4. The danger of low-quality medicines. Low-quality medicines cause harm to the patient, starting from poisoning the body and even death of the patient. We saw an example of such a situation in a neighboring country, as a result of which several children died. The medicine from which the children died was obtained from India. In Uzbekistan, 18 children died after taking syrup for RV. How to avoid fatal complications when treating a child with paracetamol? The question arises as to how protected are the citizens of Tajikistan or the drug market of this country from such situations. Since Rahman's family company, Sifat Pharma, is one of the largest companies, most of the medicines are supplied to the hospitals of the Republic through it. Here, from where and to which country Sifat Pharma supplies medicines, we will list some of them. McLeod's Pharmaceuticals Limited, India. Hill Remedics Pvt Limited, India. Medways Overseas, Private Limited, India. The Economic Times reports, more than 15% of medicines produced by small Indian companies do not meet quality standards. Bode noted that the American intelligence services removed dozens of Indian companies from their market due to the low quality of medicines from India, as well as due to the lack of sanitary equipment in pharmaceutical factories. The same can be seen in Russia. They also removed tens of thousands of toxic drugs from their market. Poison versus pills. Pharmacies purchased 50,000 toxic Indian antibiotics, dangerous antibiotic. Roshtravnadzor received 145,000 packages of Indian drugs. Russia blocks a batch of toxic Indian antibiotics. Russia has banned a batch of Indian antibiotics, Cefepime plus Sulbactam. In the program, Letters from the Districts to Islo.net, several citizens from different parts of Tajikistan complained about the low quality of Sifat Pharma drugs. To what extent do special structures check and certify drugs imported by Sifat Pharma? Or because the company of the president's daughter, Sifat Pharma, is not subject to inspection and certification? At least, will officials who are afraid of Rachmanov and are his subordinates be able to answer these simple questions?